Now we are going to create homepage products. So we're gonna set products on our homepage. When I scroll down, you will see the variable product right over there and the simple product that we have just created. Now I go to my dashboard to add some products. Okay, I go to products and add new. And I will enter here shirt, and I will upload the image, and I will publish this. I will set the price. I will speed up the process a little bit because we don't want to wait so long. Okay, it's going a lot faster right now, as you can see. I'm uploading the products. You can skip this if you want, but I'm gonna record it also. So this is very useful because you can create for nothing a web shop, and yeah, that's pretty cool in my opinion. We're going to set the price. I'm still with you. And add another product. Check it. This one. And publish. Publish again. Okay, we have nearly all the products. 2 left. So I go to my dashboard and I'm gonna click on add new, and I'm going to add this jacket, and I will give it a price and publish. Okay, add new, and I will add those products, and I will call this jacket 2. Okay, that's looking great, really professional, so in my opinion. So I hope that you have created your own webshop right now with your own products, or you want to watch this to increase your web skills or your web design skills. So I will see you soon in the next lectures.